Hi guys, today I will explain how to claim vouchers in Binance. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is, open the Binance application. Once it will be open. This one is the homepage of my Binance. The first thing is log in your account in Binance in which you want to claim your vouchers. The next thing is you can see the option of Rewards Hub. Just click on it. And here are two things. This one is points, and this one is a voucher. In order to claim vouchers, you have to tap on the option My Vouchers. Here, you can also check ongoing and past voucher, but in order to claim here, you can see the option of voucher claim. Just click on it. And the last thing you have to do is you have to enter the code of your voucher. And here you can see claim history, past 6 months, because I have not claimed any vouchers. So that's why the list is empty. But once you will enter the number of your voucher, then the claim voucher option will enable. And by tapping on it, you will claim your voucher on Binance. And it was the way by which you can claim voucher in Binance.